Rucha, many companies have these objectives, but they can't do it because their bottleneck is...
At the end,
Yes.
I can help you with this. Let me demonstrate this with a simple experiment that has applications worldwide but can be done right here with my friends.
Great.
Let's do it. Here's the setup.
I'm Reshma. I'm the operator for machine A, which takes 1 hour to process the job.
Hi, I'm Rashmi and I am the operator of machine B. This is the last operation. It is a bottleneck operation. We have indicated it with a red chart. It takes 2 hours to process.
Let's start the process, Rashmi. I will take the first piece at machine A, which takes 1 hour to process.
1 hour passed.
Now it's out.
As my machine B is empty, I take this piece directly in machine B. It takes me 2 hours to process.
By this time, I will load the next piece of bottle.
2 hours passed.
Oh, 2 hours has passed, so I will take it out. I will load the next piece of bottle.
I am still working.
3 hours passed.
I'll take the bottle out.
Finally, my operation is done. I put it in the output and load the next item.
The minimum time is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, which is the lead time, and that is the minimum. 4 hours are up.
I will take my piece out and load another piece.
I am working.
5 hours are up.
Yay! Finally, my piece is done and I'll put it in the output and load the new piece.
By this time, I will load another piece at machine A.
6 hours up.
I will load another piece.
Oh my god, so much of inventory.
Yeah, the WIP is building up. Rashmi, could you work faster?
No, I'm the bottleneck. I'll take 2 hours to process.
Do you notice something? When the bottleneck is at the end, the WIP builds up. This is lesson number 1. Do either of you know what happens when the WIP builds up?
Simple, the lead time increases.
This is lesson number 2. Lead time goes up when WIP goes up.
Therefore, in order to reduce the lead time, reduce the WIP.
Right. How are you going to do it?
Amrsha will show us.
Okay, Shubhangi, so we have one WIP here. Now we want to eliminate it and make it 0.
Sure, Amrisha, let's do this.
Okay, so now I'll load a fresh piece in my machine.
And I will load this one in my machine where there is one in WIP.
1 hour done.
I'm still working because this machine takes 2 hours.
2 hours done.
So now this moves out and I load a new piece while we still have one WIP.
Amrisha, why are you keeping the machine idle? The efficiency would go down and the cost would go up.
I know what I'm doing. I'll help you achieve those goals, ma'am. Wait and watch.
Okay, let's see.
3 hours done. 4 hours done.
Now again this one moves out and I load my machine with a new piece.
Awesome. Now the WIP has vanished. Now I can load the new one.
5 hours done.
I'll still sit idle because I want this to vanish.
6 hours done.
So now this one goes out and a new one comes in.
Oh great. My turn.
7 hours done. 8 hours done.
Out and a new piece in and we have no WIP.
Do you notice how Amrsha is keeping her machine idle every alternate hour? That is preventing WIP from building up. And mind you, how much is your output? One piece every
2 hours.
2 hours. So there's no change in the output. Whether your WIP is more or WIP is less, your output depends only on the bottleneck. And if the bottleneck is taking 2 hours, then you get one piece every 2 hours only, whatever Amrsha does. If she does not keep the machine idle, WIP will go up. Guess who will pay for the WIP?
Rucha.
The cost will?
Increase.
And the lesson that I learned today is that only the bottleneck has to work constantly. I, the bottleneck, do not even have a minute to spare.
What I learned is the non-bottleneck activity has to be idle. I have to be in the same speed with the bottleneck.
This is called synchronized working.
It takes a lot of courage to keep the machine idle.
I had the courage and now all my objectives are being achieved.
Yay!